In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text files via Google Drive. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any guesswork. The goal is to open a text file you already have in Google Drive, then edit it right in your browser using Google Docs, no extra software needed. Begin on any Google page. Look to the top right corner for the Google Apps icon. It's the small grid made of 9 dots. Click that to open the menu. From there, click Drive. This takes you into your Google Drive, where your files and folders live. You should now see your documents laid out in a list or grid view. Find the text file you want to edit. When you see it, right-click on the file. A menu will appear with several options. Hover over Open With, then choose Google Docs. That's the key action. Google Drive will open your file in a new tab using Google Docs. If it's the first time you're opening this particular text file in Docs, it may take a moment while it prepares the document. Don't worry, this is normal. Once it opens, you're in an editable document. Everything from your original text file will appear on the page. You can immediately start making changes. Place your cursor where you want to type and begin adding new text. To remove text, highlight the part you don't need and press backspace or delete. If you change your mind, use undo or redo to quickly step backward or forward. You'll also see familiar editing tools along the top of the page, so you can adjust font size, make text bold or italic, or change alignment if you want a cleaner layout. These formatting tools are optional, but they can make your text easier to read. One helpful note, your changes are saved automatically, in real time. There's no need to look for a save button. You'll often see a message near the top that confirms all changes are saved in Drive. That means you can focus on your content without worrying about losing your work. If you need to review specific words or phrases, use the Find feature with a quick keyboard shortcut like Ctrl+F on most computers. It's an efficient way to jump to the exact spot you want to edit. That's all there is to it. Click the Google Apps grid, open Drive, right-click your file, choose Open With, then Google Docs, and start editing. When you're done, simply close the tab. Your updated text is safely stored in your Drive.